idea. Alright, so we're heading to the bus terminal. Try and get the bus to the to this place. We made it to the bus stop. I'm not gonna see where I can get a ticket at. Let's go see. I have no clue. Hopefully they have buses going to this place. Someone said online that they did, so let's go check. Hola. Sala 8. Sala 8. Hey, gracias. There we go. Alright, we got it just in time. So the next bus leaves in 2 minutes. So let's get through here. Gracias, amigo.
Hola, puedo regalar caballitos gratis. Gracias.
Gracias.
Ya llegaron a lo que está de la puerta número 2, es información.
See what these pyramids are.
Para que sepan dónde tomar el automóvil, solamente aquí en la curva.
Gracias. Alright, pyramids. I got back there. They're selling me the tour. I might actually do it though. Ride the quads and everything. I want to walk around first. So you pay the admission 100 peso, so like $2 or $3, and you get full access. Yeah, so this place is huge. When you're walking, it's he told me 1.5 kilometers that way and 1.5 kilometers that way to go around the whole thing. So it's pretty big. They told me to walk around completely around the whole thing takes 2 to 3 hours. So we'll see. Ready to do the rocky run up these stairs, man. Look at it. I need to show you how steep this is. It's like ridiculous. So you can see how steep this is. Alright, little break time. I don't know if it's just me, but like when I see stuff like this, like the mural that was down there, that's from over like 2,000 years ago. So it just like blows my mind that like stuff like that is still intact and still there, and we can visit it, but it really is insane to see. Alright, time to go down now. This like 300-pound guy just ran down this. I don't know how the hell he did it. But if you fall from here, you're definitely probably gonna die. So you just gotta take your time. I really like all the ornate type of clay stones you see all around. The design looks really cool when you're looking from far away like that. so trying to get some food or a drink or something. I'm thirsty and hungry, so. I've been wanting to try the Mexican pizza too. There's a lot of like pizza spots around, so I think I'm gonna try and find one. You know, the thing I actually really love about going outside the US is even when you go to small little towns and villages like this, it's still like extremely walkable. You can still find everything you need. There's still tons of people outside. Alright, let's check out the little market. See what we got. Even though I've already bought so much stuff, I'm like, I do not have any more room to fit in my backpack before I leave. Chicharrón. Alright, it's time to get out of here. Gotta go see where I can find this bus at. I think I see one loading up. Hopefully it waits. Let's see. They told me somewhere over here. I can catch the bus back. Let's see if they're gone. Yeah, that's where I need to go. So we're heading back to the city now.